Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through how to access Kahoot Games. Now there are two ways you can access Kahoot Games. You can access your own Kahoot Games that's the one you created, by clicking on library at the bottom and clicking on Kahoot. And you can see your recent Kahoot Games, and then if you want to see every single one of them that you created, click on your Kahoot and you can see all the ones you created. Now if you want to access the ones created by others, from the home menu, click on join. As you can see, not join, I meant discover. Click on discover and then you can see all the Kahoot games. Look at them, free. You can see every single one of them. You can see the top picks, just go through them. You see the Nickelodeon official, every one of them. You want to see more, click on see more or see all. It's as simple as that. You can see the channels, you can see the games, or you can even search for the particular game you're looking for. So you can see video games, winter games, Hunger Games, you see all types of games. It's as simple as that. So hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.